What's going on, guys? We're out here at Powercruise today. We're currently unloading all the cars. We are going to be going in this rig behind us, you reckon, from Maximum Shining. About 700 horsepower Commodore, big 671 blower. So yeah, that should be pretty fun. I'm going to get plenty of content today. Out here at Powercruise with the boys from Maximum Shine in the you reckon skid car. We'll take a quick look, see what we're dealing with. That's another one of the boys from there as well. 671 blower, twin carby. 871. Not 871. Oh, sorry. 871. Got the stockies on the back ready to go. Yeah, we got everything loaded up. We got all the jacks, all the tools, spare fuel, and a trailer full of tyres. So should be a mad day. Amazing selection of cars out here. We've got a Capri, big blown engine from Blown Outlaws. Big blower ready to pump off set of tyres. Today you're going to see a lot of burnouts, some street racing, a lot of power skidding. Yeah, it's going to be a mean as day. So. Mean as Dado from Blown Outlaws. Take a look inside. Wait, a lot of work and dedication has gone into this car. A friend of mine's ute that way he's going to take us around the track in. Just sitting on over 1100 horsepower. Got big sticky tyres on the back, so yeah, it should be pretty fun. So clean, dude.
It's a bit dusty, but
nah, I mean.
Low boost is like 20 pound, high boost is like 36, but I've got it tuned down to like 30.
Yeah, how do you change boost setting?
Like cruise control.
Oh yeah, you got PCM tech?
I don't know if it's to do with the hound tech.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure.
That's insane. Wow.
Yeah.
Sorry to be a Barra fanboy, but man, there is some mint Barras out here, I tell you what.
Right, right.
Yeah, the fucking
ready to go out on track now. We're in Nick's XR6 Turbo, Sub-G's channel. I'll drop the link in the description. We just went in, you reckon, the Maximum Shine Boys Commodore and Steve Zamet's 1000 horsepower XR6 Turbo U. So yeah, get out there, get ready to fry some tyres and have a good time. But yeah, we'll catch up with you after. Out here, day one of Powercruise, absolutely mental, captured a lot of footage, absolutely crazy cars, just high meth injected, high horsepower cars, just baking tyres everywhere. So far we've been in the you reckon Commodore, the 700 horsepower blown Commodore, we've been in Steve's 1100 horsepower XR6 Turbo, and we just went in Nick's 500 horsepower XR6 Turbo. So can't complain, we're having a good day so far. But yeah, so at the moment we're going to the off-street drags or the practicing, and then we'll get back on the track. What's up, guys? So we just had the Powerskid competition, and we're getting ready to go out on the second cruising session. Again, we're back in Nick's XR6 Turbo. Get some hectic skids in. Sorry if you can't really hear me, but we blew the tyres off his other rims, so we've got a spare set that we're going to chuck on after this one. But yeah, we'll get back on the track and we'll light some tyres up, bake some tyres, huh?
What's happening here at Powercruise number 80? We have the
Still waiting to get on the track. We actually have a change of plans. We're going in just the SS Commodore, standard S1. So yeah, standard S1, just with some stuff to the back and all that. So yeah, we're just waiting to get on the track now. But the second we do, there'll definitely be more videos. Hopefully pop a set, bang the rear bar off, and yeah. Shout out to all the boys taking me in their cars today. That was insane. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Can definitely steer a car, he can. We managed to get one of the tyres off. The other side, not so lucky, but at least we got one of them off. Yeah. So we managed to get the one side off and went through a few sets of tyres today. But yeah, again, big shout out to all the lads for taking me in their cars and that. I will be returning Sunday. It's currently Friday. Yeah, we will be back Sunday. Hope you guys enjoyed everything today. It was definitely something different, definitely something that only happens once a year, but a lot more content coming on Sunday. We'll get in some more cars and film some more skids, but yeah, until then, see you next time.